Audio to text. This feature allows you to quickly convert speech content into text, making it convenient for you to reference, edit, and share. Recording converts text in real time. Click the Start button. During the recording process, the system will automatically recognize and convert the recording content into text and display it on the screen. Editing converted text. You can edit the converted text such as correcting typos, adding punctuation, and adjusting formatting. Enter text to search for converted content. You can enter keywords in the search bar to search for the converted content, and the searched content will be highlighted. Click the text to locate the recording. You can click any content in the converted text to locate the corresponding recording point in time, and click play to play the recording from this point in time. Convert list. You can check the audio and progress of the current conversion queue in the convert list. You can convert the audio first by clicking the Start button of the audio to be converted. Click Cancel to stop the audio being converted.